Data structure is a particular way of organizing data in computer's memory. Nonetheless, do we really need data structures in front-end development? The answer is yes, and I'll show you why. Hi, let's talk today about a data structure, namely linked list, and its realization in JavaScript. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. Let's start from the definition. What is the linked list? A linked list is a linear collection of data elements called nodes. Nodes contain two fields, a value and a link to the next node. The principal benefit of a linked list is that the list items can be easily inserted or removed without relocation or reorganization entire structure. In other words, items can be added or removed in the middle of the list. What are they meant to do in front-end? The linked lists are used to keep a set of comments to the post. They serve to organize a navigation menu in one-page application. The linked lists also are helping to keep the image order in the slideshow. Do you have another experience? Leave it in the comments down below. To any linked list, the following operations are applicable. Add or insert after. A data item is placed to the defined position. Remove or remove after. A data item is removed from the defined position. Get or contains. Returns a node if a desired node exists in the list. It's possible to have a doubly linked list, for which each node, besides a link to the next element, contains a link to previous nodes. There is also available a multiply linked list. Each node contains two or more link fields, and a circle linked list, where the last node is linked to the first node. Addition is O big N, because you have to iterate over the entire list to find the target node. Removal is O big N, because you have to iterate over the entire list to find the value. Search is O big N. Again, you have to iterate over the entire list to check if a value exists in your list. Let's dive in the code.
Use package.json file created in the previous episode. Use Mocha for testing. Create linked list file. Describe test. Use that linked list for image sequences checking in the slider. Then add image and define its position. Check length and first element. Then remove it. Now check new first element and length. Run test. Well done. Now create linked list class. Its constructor uses hit pointer and length. Add method, structure for nodes, add node and new links. Increment length. Remove method. check its position and modify links. Decrease length. Get method. Check the range. Search for node. And export model. Run test again. Test ends well.
My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. And this is all for this week. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.